Namaste, welcome to Everyday Cooking in Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm making sev usal and I am going to show you very special my signature style aloo sev usal with a twist on serving it the unique way. Let's make besan sev first. To prepare sev usal, let's make sev first. Grease sev maker and keep aside. Into the mixing bowl, take 1 cup of besan, which is chickpea flour, 1/4 cup of chawal atta, which is rice flour. Rice flour is optional. I add rice flour only when I want to prepare sev for sev usal. The reason is that when we add sev in a sev usal ragda, sev can go soggy easily. So if you make a little crispy, little hard sev, you will have a good time serving sev usal. A pinch of haldi, salt to taste, safed mirchi, which is white pepper, and mix it all dry ingredients together. Next, into 1/4 cup of water, add half teaspoon of nimbu juice, lemon or lime juice, to make sev extra crunchy. Knead the dough semi-soft. If needed, water can be added. Fill the dough into sev maker and keep aside. Heat up the oil on a medium to high heat, and when the oil is hot, start dropping sev into the oil. Fry till crispy, making sure not to make it brown. When done, remove from the oil and bring onto the paper towel to drain oil. Follow the same steps for the remaining dough. Look at the yummy, crispy besan sev. Store sev in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for up to 2 to 3 months. Besan sev can be stored at room temperature for up to a couple of months depending on the type of oil used. For me, during winter time, fried stuff stays great for a couple of months, but in the summertime, they go bad quickly. So I prefer to refrigerate. So in that case, you can use Ziploc to store them. Of course, they will break. So if you have more space, you can use the containers. But this is how I store. For the everyday use, I keep some into the container like this, and the one that I'm going to refrigerate, I store into the Ziploc. Alright, so sev is ready, and now let's make ragda for sev usal. Let me show you my family favorite recipe of preparing aloo matar ragda. Take half cup of dry green peas matar. Wash green peas really well and soak for about 4 hours. To prepare the ragda, take soaked green peas, right, soaked. As you can see, they are swollen to double almost. Potato, aloo, onion, tomato, ginger, garlic and green chili, red chili powder, turmeric powder, haldi, salt to taste. Add about a cup of water for half cup of green peas. Give this all a really good stir. Be sure to have enough water to boil green peas. Cover it and hear about 5 to 7 whistles. When the pressure cooker has cooled naturally, release the pressure and open the cooker carefully. Give it a good stir. As you can see, green peas matar is cooked really well. And to adjust the consistency, mash the potatoes to make the ragda thicker. Alright, so the ragda is ready. Now, here is the secret to make this dish colorful. Take about quarter cup of hot water and add 1 teaspoon of paprika or mild chili of your choice. Mix it and chili water is ready to use in many chats. And it is time to serve sev usal. Into the plate, take ragda, prepared chili water, sprinkle some onion, some finely chopped tomatoes, and garnish with coriander leaves, hara dhania. Drizzle date tamarind chutney, which is gur imli chutney. Lots of sev. And again sprinkle a little bit of everything on top of the sev. And sev usal plate is ready to serve. I prefer to serve immediately so that sev doesn't get soggy. Now we are going to break the sev anyway, but I just love serving sev usal this way, ready to eat. To prepare date and tamarind chutney, take dates, tamarind, jaggery. Apricot and raisins are optional, but I love to add in this chutney. Soak all the ingredients together and overnight, or boil all ingredients except jaggery in a pressure cooker. Here 4 whistles, and once everything is soft, add jaggery and blend them all to a smooth paste and strain for a smooth texture. Next, add powdered spices like coriander, cumin, red chili, dry ginger, and fennel, and of course salt as per taste. Mix everything and you can boil even one more time. Since I make big batch of chutney, I freeze and use as needed in recipes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video making of besan sev. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You can visit my website bhavanastkitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavana's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavana's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.